to my channel. Today I have a couple of VRs and some happy mail, so I'm just gonna get right into it, starting with the VRs. So the first VR is for Cornflower Crafts. You guys, you probably know her. She is doing a really sweet Valentine's giveaway. All these gorgeous, gorgeous flowers she's created, and you should definitely go by and follow the rules and participate. And this way you would win a whole bunch of crafty, beautiful flowers for decorating whatever projects you're into. So the second VR is for Trina's Pace. Now, Trina is super sweet. She crafts, she does hauls, and she's trying so hard to get to 1,000 subscribers. We all know how hard it is to grow our channel, and she is having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and she's asking really for nothing. She just wants you to, if you can, do a VR to spread her channel name around and to let your friends know about her channel. And yeah, just building this crafty, fun community all together. And she's giving away a whole bunch of goodies, so I will link their channel so you guys can go by and check it out. Now, I just want to go back and mention that Corns is going to end this week, February 7th, so I'm a little late getting this video out there, but you guys still have time. And Trina's is running through March sometime. I think she said around the 20th. I'll link it and you guys go by and check out all the details. The first Happy Mail package I'm going to share, it comes from Tammy. Her channel name is My World in OKC, and she held a fun ATC swap in Christmas time, and something happened and I didn't get them, and she had more, and she sent me 2 ATC cards. So for you guys that don't know, this is what the ATC cards look like, and they're 2.5 by 3.5, and they're so cute. I love doing fun little swaps like this, and these come from Tasia or Tasha Woods, and there's her channel right there, T Wood Crafts. So I'm not familiar with her channel. I just opened up this mail. It's been sitting, and yeah, so these are her ATC cards, and I'm gonna go by, check her channel and link it down below so you guys can check her out as well. And that's what I love about these swaps. You get to meet new people and their ideas from the crafty community. The next mail that I want to share, you guys, comes from QueensLife. I happened to win her giveaway, and she sent me a little note, and this is what I won, you guys, this really cute charm bracelet. It has little ice creams and popsicles, and I guess that's eggs on toast. So adorable. And it has the pretty beads, and I thought this is really cute to wear. It's super fun, and to me, I'll probably wear it in the spring and summer because I just feel like it has that vibe to it. Super adorable. And then she also sent me this here is a necklace, and I thought this would be really pretty. It comes on a really long chain, and so I was thinking to maybe shorten it, and how cute would that look? Just up there, a short little necklace. I love it. So thank you for that win. And then the last happy mail I have is from Evelyn Ramos. Here, this is her package, and it's BeadCraft Chic is her name. She has Instagram and YouTube. So of course everybody's gonna be linked, and I participated in her challenge, you guys. So she sent me a package. So right here is a card, I guess. It says, "You're the pumpkin to my spice." And how cute is that? I'm trying to open it so I could share a closer look. Here's the card, you guys, and I love her logo on the back there. That's exactly what it looks like for her YouTube channel. So great little full card. And then she sent me here these stickers. How cute. These Christmas stickers and other Christmassy winter stickers here. Super sweet, just for participating in her challenge. And she made me a memory decks. I can't believe it. So love to get memory decks cards to fill up my box some more. And I want you guys to notice this cute bag topper. And she even has a business card in here. So let me show you guys. Here's her mem decks. I love it. It is super layered up. You can see she's stitched also all around the sides here. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Hey, pumpkin, how adorable. And she even stitched, I don't know if you could see it, this orange layer of paper as well. And this is the back, so you could kind of see the stitching a little more clearly. Love that, love it, love it. She's got this trick-or-treat pocket, and that was where her business card goes. So this is a look at her business card, again with that logo. I love it. And then that's the back side for her information, so you guys can get that. So I'll link everything down below. And yeah, I just want to thank everybody for their happy mail and spread these channels of these lovely ladies. Go by and check them out. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I hope you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.